Right here, we're standing 890 feet above the Colorado River. Come and see the rest.
Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey.
We're on our way to the Mike O'Callahan, Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. The bridge was built as a bypass road after 9/11 to protect the Hoover Dam. Before you go to the bridge overlook area, you have to go through an inspection of your car to make sure that there's no bombs or that you meet the right criteria. No semi-trucks, no large vehicles. The overlook has a parking area. You park in the parking area and then go up a stairway up the side of the mountain in order to access the walking path. Yeah, we're on our way to the bridge overlook. You gotta work to get there. The bridge sits right on the Arizona and Nevada state borders. Entering the state of Nevada right there. It's like being on the freeway. Now there's the bridge. Just like walking on the freeway. They let you walk on the freeway. Before the bridge was built, the only access going across to Nevada or into Arizona was by going across the Hoover Dam. There's a 2-lane road on Hoover Dam.
Right there.
Yeah. There's the Hoover Dam. Damnedest thing I ever saw. The bridge is 890 feet above the Colorado River. That makes it the second highest bridge in the United States and the highest concrete arch style in the world. Selfie on the bridge.
Yep.
The bridge definitely gives you an uneasy feeling being that high up. The cost of the bridge was $240 million. This picture, you're looking straight down at Hoover Dam and the Colorado River. There's a big thing there. It's like flying up here in flying from a helicopter. Hoover Dam contains the water for Lake Mead and the Lake Mead recreational area. Look at that.
Yeah, that's not fun. I'm like, no.
Back and wait for the wind. You got it? We're here. Like, hold on to me.
You know what? Because a lot of people have vertigo, and I swear to God, that's what's happening to me.
Look at how fast those cars are going. Woo! See, being on the freeway. She's like, I've had enough. I gotta get off this bridge. It was too much. The bridge was named after Mike O'Callahan, who was the governor of Nevada from 1971 to 1979, and for Pat Tillman, who was an American football player for Arizona, the Arizona Cardinals. He was killed in Afghanistan in the Army in 2004 by friendly fire. So that way you have a person from Nevada and a person from Arizona representing the bridge that's built on the state line. Lake Mead is a national recreational area. Lake Mead. The cost to enter the Lake Mead recreational area is $25 per vehicle. That's a Lake Mead recreation area. It's run by the National Park Service. We've come to Lake Mead to take a cruise on the lake. We have to park down near the water's edge to go to the marina. Even though you pay for the cruise on the lake, you still have to pay to get into the National Recreation Area at the main gate. Girl, there you go.
Yeah.
See behind us, we're going on a cruise on Lake Mead.
Here we are. Come along.
The cost of the cruise was $35 each, and the cost of getting into the National Recreation Area was $25 for the vehicle.
Massive fish. Where's the fishing pole?
Those things are huge.
I know.
That's when the strokes, the adults start talking. Biggest muscle on Sunday, the crap.
Yeah, Lake Mead Boat Harbor. After we boarded the boat, we decided to have some lunch. So we found ourselves a nice table to sit at. There she is.
They have that grilled cheese on sourdough.
Lake Mead.
We're having some drinks, and we've ordered our lunch.
Extreme men, some brave, some foolhardy, explored the upper canyons. John Wesley Powell, a one-armed Civil War veteran, stands above the rest.
You can swim, boat, hike, water ski, cycle around the area, camp, and fish in the Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Lake Mead National Recreation Area is a year-round playground that spreads across 1.5 million acres of mountains, canyons, valleys, and 2 lakes. Lake Mead has 750 miles of shoreline. The cruise takes us from the harbor over to Hoover Dam and then turns around and goes back to the harbor. It takes about an hour and a half for the entire cruise. It's a reservoir that is formed by the Hoover Dam, and it dams up the Colorado River. It is the largest reservoir in the United States in terms of water capacity. The reservoir provides water and electricity to the states of Arizona, California, and Nevada. It serves approximately 20 million people and large areas of farmland as well. As of April of 2020, Lake Mead is only 43% of full capacity. This is mainly due to the recent drought conditions in the United States in different areas. You'll notice around the lake there's white rock. That is a water line that was created when the high point of the water. They call it the bathtub ring. The bathtub ring, or the high point in the water, is created when the minerals in the rock leach out into the areas when it is submerged. We are riding on the Desert Princess, which has a capacity of 275 passengers. The boat is a paddle wheeler that is 3 stories high with indoor and outdoor areas so that no matter what the weather is, you will still be comfortable. Lake Mead was named after Elwood Mead, who was commissioner of the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation from 1924 to 1936. Which is the period of time when the dam and lake were planned. In 1936, the Boulder Dam Recreation Area was formed at the completion of the dam. The name was changed to the Lake Mead National Recreation Area in 1947. At that time, it became part of the National Park Service.
Well, we're taking a cruise. The cruise. It's slow to go. Yeah, a blue.
Yeah, but I'm looking at all that red dirt back there.
We were actually worried about coming on a boat ride on this day because it was raining in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is 28 minutes away from Lake Mead, or 26 miles, or 41.8 kilometers. And the dam is actually 37 miles from Las Vegas. You're funny. But even though bad weather loomed off in the distance, we never saw any rain the entire time that we were there. At this point, I'm pointing over at the mountain area, which is Valley of Fire, and that's going to be one of our adventures that's coming up in the future.
That's a big fish.
Oh yeah.
He's back. This one is big.
Look at him.
Oh, that's a definite carp. See, look at the lips. They're ready to kiss you. See, but there's right
Yeah,
there,
big fish,
bottom
big fish.
feeder, right there. That's your catfish.
If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe
And ring that notification bell.
and give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.